Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. For some reason, the intro to this video was not recorded. As you can see, some of the copper pipes are already up. Our plumbers are here. They're working on the repipe for the whole house, all new water. They're also digging a little bit because we want to replace our old cast iron main and clay main with all new ABS. Luckily, I do have footage of them working on most of that, so we'll cut to it right now. Nick is still outside digging and working on getting to the main pipe. Joseph has that part in the wall mostly done, going to work on the attic portion to feed the whole house. Joseph just started welding. We got both our hot and cold. Going to get a little bit of this on film. Try to get out of his way. Going to move the camera over here. Joseph is pretty much done here. He needs to finish soldering, and next step would be tying everything into the attic. Nick is making really good progress out there. Not sure if you guys can see it, but we are taking a lunch break, and it's been the same thing every week. We love Costco, so same stuff. We're done in the garage for now. Joseph said we need a couple of MIP fittings to finish over there, but I think the soldering is all done. They are headed back in the bathroom. Let's go inside. They just left. Joseph is making really good progress on the PEX, but he needs more 3/4. And Nick is also making really good progress on getting to our main line. The plan is next time they're here, they're going to finish both of those. Video number 168 done.